Build your first Django app. Overview. In this tutorial, you will build your first Django app step by step. By the end of this session, you will understand the difference between a Django project and a Django app. Create a Django app using the startapp command and explore the folder structure of a Django app. First, what is the difference between a Django project and a Django app? Before diving in, let's understand these two key concepts. Django project. This is the overall container that holds your settings and configurations. A project can have multiple apps. Second, Django app. This is a web application with a specific purpose. Apps are reusable and can be added to different projects. For example, imagine a blogging project. You might have an app for posts, an app for comments, and an app for user accounts. How to create a Django app? Step 1. Open your project folder. Open Anaconda prompt. Conda. Activate DJ. After we activate Django, we change directory. CD. In my case is C. Users. Azad. PollProject 1. Step 2. Create the app. Use the startapp command to create a new app. Type this command, Python manage.py start app false, for example. It's created. Make sure you are in the correct folder where manage.py is located and match the names exactly, including capitalization. What is inside a Django app? Once the app is created, you will see a new folder named Tools. Here is a quick overview of its structure. Admin.py used to register modules for the Django admin site. Apps.py manages app configuration. Modules.py define your app's data structure. Tests.py write tests to ensure your app works correctly. Views.py add the logic for handling user requests. init.py makes the folder as a Python package. And migrations folder tracks database changes. How to link the app to your project? After creating the app, you need to connect it to the project. Here is how. Step 1. Open settings.py. Go to your project folder and find the settings.py file. For example, in Visual Studio Code. We open settings. Step 2. Add the app. Look for the installed apps list in the file and add your app's name. Follows. Step 3. Save the file. Your app is now registered and ready to use. In summary, what you have learned, the difference between a project and an app, how to create an app using startapp, the purpose of e-files in an app, and how to link an app to a project. Congratulations, you have built and set up your first Django app. Get ready to add exciting features in the next session.